Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make Barfi. No, not Barf, Barfi. It's an Indian caramel fudge and it's really easy to do. It tastes amazing. Alright, here we've got around about half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to add in about a quarter cup's worth of water. I'm just going to dilute that for now because we're going to need this a little bit later on. So here I've got around about 2 tablespoons worth of ghee or butter. I'm using butter because that's what I already have. We're going to melt that down just like I'm doing right there, and I'm going to add in about half a cup's worth of ground almonds. You can use almond meal or almond flour, it's not going to matter. It all ends up being the perfect type flavor. Alright, so just keep stirring that through, and we're basically going to be making a little bit like a French type roux, where the almond is going to absorb that flour and it's going to change color just that little bit, and it's exactly what we want. Alright, so when it starts to look a little bit toasty-ish, we're going to add in 1 cup of full cream, nice and slow. As you can see, that is screaming hot on the bottom. Just be careful, keep stirring that through. We don't want that cream to scald. Right, just keep giving that a good stir all the way through. And I'm also going to add in around about half a cup's worth of full cream milk powder. It sounds weird, yes, I thought so too, but no, this works out in the end, believe me. Give all of that a stir from time to time. Try and make sure it is not sticking to the bottom of our pan. That would be the worst thing possible. So just keep stirring, and look, me and my MS, yes, my arms get tired, so I call on the reserves. Mrs. KP comes in for a little bit, gives a stir, then I can come back in and take it over. We're going to let that thicken up just slightly, and we're pretty much ready for our next step. We're going to put that sugar water mixture on the heat, and we're going to give that a bit of a stir, dissolve that sugar. We're going to bring that up to the boil just nicely, not too hot. We just want to make a real nice real thick syrup with this particular product. We don't want to make a toffee exactly, we don't want to make a thick caramel. We want to take that until it's like the drop type temperature. That means you put the teaspoon in, lift it up. Once you see a little bit of a drop, it is done. We're going to add that through into our cream almond mixture like that. Give that a bit of a stir pretty quickly. Get that back on the heat. We don't want things to cool down too much, and all we're going to do now is keep stirring that through until it all starts to come together and starts to really thicken up into a particular type consistency where it will fall away from the edges of our pan. Right, if you're not sure, just keep an eye on it and just keep stirring it through. I might have made a little bit of a mistake with the amount of butter that I used, and I'm talking by about 2 grams ish. Anyway, so once that is all thickened up, as you can see right there, we're going to put that into a heat-proof container, and I'm actually going to line that with a little bit of baking paper just to make things a little bit easier to get out. And they do recommend that you use glass or metal for this. I don't have one of those. I've just used plastic that will tolerate heat. A little bit of baking paper. Take it out, slice it up just like that, and here you go. You've made your own Barfi, this amazing Indian style caramel fudge. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's a lot of work for not a lot of produce, but hey, look, it's a bit of fun, and I don't do desserts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a dessert KP style, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Barfi Indian caramel fudge, and I will catch you next time. Bye.